Okay, the new stencil is just dolls, and it's called Collage Dolls, and it's a 6x6 stencil. I have had so much fun with these. I spent all day playing with them. That's all I did was play with this set. I love it so much. When I was in Hawaii, I fell in love with the plumeria, so I included that. And then the ferns just the botanicals everywhere were just so beautiful. And so this kind of is my tribute to Hawaii, kind of like I just loved it. And like, and all of their talk of like the fire goddess and that kind of stuff, that was fun. And so I thought it would be fun to put them in a collage doll. And then this one, I just thought this would be kind of cool for any season, like Christmas, Halloween, fall. I don't know, it just would fit for everything. And so I liked it. It kind of had like a seasonal thing to it that I liked. And then this one has, I keep saying so much. It drives me crazy. Anyways, it had some positive affirmations to it, and I really liked that too. So there I go again. I hope you enjoy it. So let me show you what I've created with them. So this one, we have this set here, which I really enjoy. I just think they turned out super cute. I'm in love with this stencil set. And I used tags because it's kind of holiday season, and so I might put these in my gifts and stuff that I give away for Christmas. I thought it would be, there you go again, dang it. A fun gift, something to add to a gift. You're gonna have to forgive me today. And then I have, well, let's do this one first. So then I have this one, and this one I kept kind of simple, and I really like it. This one I layered some vintage papers, and then the crown. I had a lot of fun with her too. This one, it says her presence is bigger than you anticipated. Do not underestimate her. And I had a couple people that I was thinking about when I created this that kind of, it just represented them. They're just beautiful people. And so anyways, they're quiet and unassuming, but man, they're just really great people. So anyways, so this stencil was those three. Now for this one. This one I had a lot of fun with. Like, I wanted to do something with the 70s vibe because I really like that. And some oranges and some teals. And I used a vintage tag for this. So much fun. I think this is a supply house repair. Anyways, super cool. And then this one, I should have went with bolder colors for this maybe. After I was done, I was like, maybe I should have went with bolder colors. But it was still fun. I liked how everything played on it. I have some tissue paper in the background, but you can still see the tag. This is a torn book cover, a scrap piece that I had, a little botanical, kind of had a bunch of things going on. This one I wanted to make Christmassy just to see how it would turn out, and I really like it. This was a candy cane that I made a long time ago that was in my holiday stash, and I had this botanical from Tim Holtz. I just thought it turned out really cute. So I have, by the time I was done, I had 9 tags, and they took me all day because I was like fully focused on them. I had so much fun making them, but I like how I made them in sets of 3. Like I followed a theme for them, and I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this stencil. Again, it's called the Collage Dolls, and it's just full of fun.